As I promised with you, let's make 15-minute Japanese vegan miso cream pasta. If you're a mushroom lover looking for a way to apply miso into your cooking, you come to the right place. For more Japanese food recipes, follow me on Instagram at Miwa Japanese Cooking Class. Let's get started. Start by boiling plenty of water for cooking pasta. Slice onion thinly. I would recommend to slice it as thin as possible to make your pasta sauce rich and bold in taste. Slice garlic thinly. And here I'm using leek. Cut off the base and the green part. The green part is too fibrous to eat, but you can keep and make a soup stock out of it. I have a delicious chicken soup recipe using this leek, so I linked on the description box below. Slice leek thinly. It tends to coat the dirt between the layers, so just make sure to rinse them before you use. And today's start ingredients is mushroom. I have a shimeji mushroom, shiitake mushroom, and maitake mushroom, which you can find any local supermarket in Japan. But of course, you can use any mushroom you have on hand. Each kind of mushroom has a different flavor note, so make sure to use at least 2 different kinds of mushrooms to amp up the flavor. Using your hand, peel the mushroom into pieces. Not too small to give the meaty, stringy texture to your pasta. Slice shiitake mushroom into half-inch thickness. For shimeji mushroom, cut off the bottom and peel it by hand. To a pan on medium heat, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. In goes onion, leek, and garlic. Sprinkle some salt and saute them for about 3 minutes over mid-heat. Then add mushrooms. Again, sprinkle some salt and let it cook away for another 5 minutes. Splash some rice wine if it's needed. You can just do with the water too. This process is really important to draw out more flavor, so be patient, take your time, and enjoy the moment. When the onion becomes lightly brown and tender, sprinkle 1 teaspoon of all-purpose flour. Saute them for about 1 minute over mid-heat until there is no more lump left. At this point, add 2 cups of your favorite plant-based milk. I'm using unsweetened soy milk. In goes half of mushroom bouillon cube or vegetable bouillon cube. Simmer it for another 2 minutes or so. As we thicken the sauce, we can start cooking the pasta. Mine takes about 7 minutes. Back to sauce, dissolve the yellow miso paste. Miso paste is pretty sticky, so make sure to dissolve it little by little by using a spatula. Otherwise, you will end up with a big chunk of miso paste. Add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce for the umami taste. Off the heat immediately to retain the aroma of miso paste. Back to pasta. You wanna stop cooking 1 minute before the package instruction set. Reserve 1 cup of pasta sauce in case you need one later. Add pasta into your sauce. Let the sauce and pasta to be incorporated together. And before you serve it, make sure to adjust the taste with the salt and pepper. If the sauce is too thick, feel free to add the pasta water. Plate it nicely and sprinkle some herb. I'm using fresh parsley, but pretty much any herb will do. Or just simply sprinkling black pepper is good enough. If you are not vegan, you can add salmon, cod, and chicken. If you have a picky kids like mine, I always change up the vegetable like some corn, carrot, broccoli will be a great option. Serve it with the tomato soup and ready to devour. This is so creamy, depth in flavor, and hearty, perfect for the winter dinner. Kids doesn't like mushrooms, so they took out all the mushrooms and I ended up eating all the mushrooms they left, but I love this pasta so much. Many of my vegan friends in this channel requested me this miso creamy pasta, so I hope you will enjoy this. And if you make one, make sure to tag me on Instagram at Miwa Japanese Cooking Class. And I'm always happy to receive any kind of request from all of you, so please leave the comment below. And from the next recipe, I'm showing how to make a Japanese style Christmas dinner ideas. So don't forget to subscribe and hope to see you on the next video. Bye! またね